This Quest 3 is boot looping and I need to figure out why so I can fix it and show you guys how to fix it at home. Now most of the time when I see headsets boot looping, whether that's Quest 3s or Quest 2s, it's a pretty good indication that one of the cameras is broken or damaged. And a lot of times that's associated with broken glass or at least some sort of damage around one of the cameras or the sensors to let us know exactly what's going on and what needs to be repaired. Now the other thing that we could be looking at, since none of the camera sensors look broken, is liquid damage. And how do we figure out if it's liquid damage or a broken sensor? Well, we gotta open it up. I'm gonna start by taking off the silicone face shield here, and next we're gonna take out the 7 screws that hold in the faceplate. Once we take out those 7 screws, we can lift on the bottom of the faceplate and then unclip the top with our pry tool. And then the faceplate lifts down like this. So I'm gonna double check those camera connections by removing this Bluetooth antenna here, and we do that by just taking all the screws that hold it in. So I'm gonna plug these back in and make sure that everything's seated properly, but it looks like no luck. We've still got the boot loop issue. So our next step here, once we remove a bunch of other pieces, is to take this bezel out and see if that's working. There's just a smidge of oxidation here, so maybe it is liquid damage. Either way, we're gonna find out. Gotta clip that in there. And now for the moment of truth. And look at that. We got a working headset again. So yeah, in this particular case, just a little bit of liquid damage right here in the volume button was all it took to turn this headset into a boot looping little brick. If you run into the same issue at home, you can get this bezel complete with all the sensors just on our website. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more VR related content like this.